Hello guys, this is Business Person your way today again. So guys, I quickly want to show you this, but before I dive into it, I would just want you to click on the like button, share, and also subscribe. Now if you're watching this video on TikTok, I just want you to please follow me. So guys, we are on crash 1000 in the screen. Then let me quickly buy with multiple positions. All right, like I always do, I love multiple positions, and at the same time I just want to show you that this setup is working fine. All right, so guys, before I go into showing you the exact setup, so what I will just do now is to explain exactly what will happen after we've got in for a sell. So we're looking for a spike, and mind you guys, the same this is working for crash 1000 index is also working for all the crashes. All right, you can see the spike has happened now. Okay, so this is excellent, this is beautiful. So guys, it's working for all the crashes the same way, and at the same time it's working for all the booms, right, the same way. Now let me explain. Now on the screen you see that we are having a level of 100 here. All right, we are having 100 here, and we are having a level of 5 here. Okay, so now guys, this, make sure that this signal shows you that is not repainting, right, which is non-repainting, is not repainting, which is non-repainting. What I mean by that is what I'll show you now. And you can see on the ADS screen, you can see this ADS indicator. All right, we use ADS and moving averages. All right, so moving average, just one moving average. So and you make sure that when it gets to the point of 100, now what you now do is you make sure that you're using the zoom out, the highest zoom out, not zoom in, zoom out. We've zoomed it out to make the candlesticks look big. All right, you're using the final zoom out level. Okay, then after when you've done that, and make sure that you're using this indicator, this setup on 1 minute time frame. For those people who love taking signals on 1 minute time frame. So now here you are going to move your screen to and fro, left and right side of the screen. Now what you will now check out for is this level. All right, you will check out for this level. You can see this level which it has gotten to, and which that you can see it spikes at 99.21 level. Okay, so you now go to the right side of the screen. To me here is right side. You go to the right side of the screen, then you'll be noticing the point at which I put my arrow here. All right, now if this dropped below 99 or below 100, don't take the signal. I repeat, you can see that it is on this line. All right, you can see it is on this line. Now when it leaves this position of the line to come down, all right, don't take the signal. I repeat, when it leaves that point at which the arrow is, when you're going to and fro of the screen, don't take the signal. All right, so the same way it's working for booms. Right now, this is what I meant. Now you can see it has gotten to the point of 5. Right now, when you're going to the left side and the right side of the screen, and you see that it is moving up, all right, that this moving average is flying, right, it flies above 5 level. Don't go for boom, don't go for boom spikes. All right, let it go, or wait for it patiently till when you're moving your screen like this to and fro, and you discover that it's not leaving that position. All right, now what I will do now is, let me use an example on this is crash 1000 index. Let me go to crash boom 1000 index to see, probably maybe we can find something of such on boom 1000 index. Okay, now on boom 1000, yeah, now let's go to the highest zoom level down. Then now I just want you to notice something at this point. Now if it flies up, then we won't take the signal. You can see it flies up. Exactly, good example. Now spike up might happen, we don't care, but what we're looking for is sniping entry and also perfection. Now what we're gonna do on this is we're gonna wait. Now when we go to this side of the screen, which is left side of the screen, you see that this arrow has it stays at the level of 5 at this point. All right, so guys, before I go further into this, please, it doesn't cost you anything, just give me thumbs up. All right, I'm showing you one of the biggest secrets. All right, so it doesn't cost you anything to just give me a thumbs up or to share. All right, one love, guys. I love you guys. That's why I'm dropping this secret for you. You know, it's been a very long time that I've done video on setup, so I'm giving you this free, and you can see I'm explaining everything to details for you all. So guys, please just help me. All right, I just want to be one of the top and one of the great traders. All right, but and most importantly, I want you to earn money the way I'm earning money too. All right, and for those of you who cannot afford to buy my customized indicator, all right, I just want you to check on this. Is working like fire. This is 2024. All right, it's working like fire. Now let's check again if it's, now remember the highest zoom out level. Then let's check. You can see we still have a little bit flyover here. We still have, you can see when it's going to the right side, we have a little bit flyover. You can see it's just little, but we can go in for a buy. It doesn't matter. All right, let me just go for 3.0. Let's go for a buy. But the reason why I go for a buy with this is because it has almost gotten to the last level. You can see it's just little. Now it has gotten there. So any moment from now, we should be expecting a spike. So any moment from now, we should be expecting a spike up. Any moment from now, we should be expecting a spike up. So I'm showing you in two different ways. All right, I'm showing you for crash, and at the same time I'm showing you for boom. Now while I was waiting for this, all right, I will just go into the setup to show you exactly how the setup look like. All right, now please, I just want you to stay with me. Now if you want to set this up, I want you to listen well and listen good. If you want to do this setup, now you click, you see at the top of the screen, you will see the crosshair, which looks like the plus symbol. Then the next one, which is the indicator symbol. All right, now you click on the button, right? Then it will take you to this point. Now it's because I have added the two indicators on the screen on the chart. That's why you're seeing them here on indicator window 1. But what you just do at first is you just click on the main chart. All right, when you click on the main chart, then you go and look for average directional movement index. All right, that's the ADX. Then when you click on it, then you're gonna give it the setup. Now this is the setup. You can see the period is 92, the star is 1, and the plus DI is 3 pixels. You can give it any color, but make sure that the D1, the plus D1 and the minus D1 is not the same color, but you can leave them at the same pixels for the sake of boldness. All right, and also for the star, which is 1 pixels, we don't need it, but just make sure that is at the same thing as the background of your screen. All right, so that will fade off, it will fade away. Now look at the level. The level here is level 105. All right, 100 then 5. Now look at the level. When I click on the level, if the level will not appear, you just click on the plus sign at the top of the screen. When you click on the plus sign, then you can see the level is 100. Then you can also give it a description if you have the time to. Oversold. Then for the 5 level, all right, you can give it oversold rather for the 5 level, then overbought for the 100 level. All right, so now after when you've done that, you go back, you click on save, and make sure that it's applying to all time frames. Just leave those at default. Okay, then after when you've done that, remember we click on the main chart to add the average directional movement index. Now what you're gonna do this time is you click on indicator window 1, because we are adding this moving average in the ADX. All right, if you don't do it that way, the moving average will appear on the main screen, but we don't want the moving average to appear on the main screen. We want it to be within the indicator window 1, which is the ADS. That's why you must click on this F symbol on indicator window 1, which is this. That's where you're gonna hide the moving average. You can see moving average is on the screen, right? Then after when you've done that, then you now go to the settings for the moving average. Now you can see the parameters, which the period is 5, the shift is 0. It's simple. The method is simple. The apply to is closed. Then the star is 3 pixels for visibility sake. All right, then look at the level and time frame. Leave those at default. When you're done, you click on save. All right, now let's go back to our boom 1000 index. Now you can see that for the boom 1000 index, the spike has not yet happened, but we wait for the spike to happen. All right, trading generally is a game of patience. All right, it's a game of patience. Now when we go to crash 1000 index, you can see it's beautiful. You can see the way the spike will keep going up is still further up. All right, you can see it's long. It gave us a long spike. Even with this, you are good for the order depending on lot size you're using. All right, I've taken higher risk on this trade, and it has given me a lot of money. This is one of the newest secret that I found in 2024. That's why I'm revealing this to you for free. But guys, I would just want you also to help me. Please help me. Just give me a thumbs up. All right, you can share. And also, if you want to join our Telegram channel, where you can pick free signals, all right, where you can pick free signals, you can also check the description. All right, we drop free signals every day. But if you need executive signals, all right, executive signals, or you need the customized indicator, I just want you to check on you just chat me up on Telegram at business per CEO. All right, and also if you boom, see, this is super awesome. I'm highly excited. I'm highly excited, and the name of the Lord is exalted. All right, you see, boom, it happens. Now let's check it. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. You can see exactly what I was talking of here. You see, make sure that it's non-repaint at this level. It's gonna happen. All right, see, just go to the left side of the screen, just go to the right side of the screen. You will see it's not lifting at this point. It's not lifting up, and it's not creating any space. I'm not giving up hope. I know it's gonna happen. All right, see, and once again, let me show you the setup. Now this is the setup. All right, this is the setup for the ADX. The parameter is 92. You can see, as you can see on the screen, anyways. As you can see on the screen, and for the moving average, remember, if you want to add the moving average, just click on the indicator window 1. But if you want to add the indicator window 1, you click on the main chart first. Then after that, you are adding the moving average inside in the ADX. Then you will now click on indicator window 1 to do that. Then this is the ADS, all right, 192.5, you see, and this is the I'm super excited, guys. So guys, please, I just want you to follow me on TikTok if you're seeing this on TikTok, and also I want you to follow me to subscribe to my Telegram channel. You will see the link in the description below, please, guys, and also you can join the Telegram. We are doing wonderfully well. So these are the two signals. The two signals has came in profit for the crash. We have it, you see, boom. So guys, I'm signing out for now. This is Business Plus. So I just want you to wait. There is another wonderful setup, and if there's any changes that has been happening to this, we have to retweet it or retweak it, and want to give you something that is the best. All right, we have to check up for the setup to meet up with the latest standard. So guys, this is Business Plus signing out. God bless you all. Please like, subscribe, and share.